Back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be harvesting some 4 o'clocks. Now 4 o'clock seeds can be kind of a pain to harvest because they're very loose in the shell, and anytime you bump the plant they drop a ton. And so if you want to harvest them, that's not great because you want to harvest them. And they also will self-seed very, very vigorously. So you kind of want to, you don't want to dump too many seeds down in the ground. So I have an idea, and we're going to see if this speeds up the harvesting process. If you never see this video, it did not. They're loose in there, right? So to come in and to pick them out, you have to get them all out individually like this. And then you have to be careful because if you shake too much, you're going to knock the ones out of the rest of the plant, right? So it's a little tedious. That's what the seeds look like. They look like little Barbie grenades. So we're going to attempt my new technique. We're going to see if we can harvest them in an umbrella. So I'm going to put the umbrella underneath it like this, and I'm going to shake this way. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, I think those are all out of that one. That was fast. Okay, Dex, move. Back up, back up. Oh, we're caught. Here we go. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So fast. You know what? That would be an absolutely wonderful way to harvest nasturtium seeds as well, because you shake them and they would fall off, and then that way you wouldn't have to worry about. Oh, look, we got a ladybug. And I'm just gonna put these on a napkin and let them air out, and we're done. And that took how long?
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's pretty awesome. So thank you so much for watching. It worked out. Yay! Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Out, but look at that, we got a bunch of nasturtium seeds too. Oops. Bit of a debris, but